I am Meenakshi and welcome to the next session of grammar, and today we are going to discuss about the degrees of adjectives. Degrees of adjectives are also known as degrees of comparison. Alright, and first of all we should know that what are adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describes a noun, that tells about the noun. Alright, any quality of noun, like he is a good boy. Here boy's quality, description of boy is coming from the word good. Good, by good we can know that it's an adjective of that particular noun. Alright, now come to the degrees of adjective. Degrees of adjectives are used to compare any noun. When there are some nouns and we need to compare the noun with the other one, with single or more than one thing, we use degrees of adjectives. I will tell you with an example. I have 3 pens here. First I will use this. This pen is dark. Alright. Now another pen. This pen is darker than this one. I am comparing both the pens. This is dark, but this pen is darker than this. And the third one. This is the darkest of all. Alright, this pen is dark. This pen is darker than first one, and this is the darkest of all. Alright, so I have used the same word but in 3 degrees: dark, darker and darkest. So here we come to know that degrees of adjectives are of 3 types: positive degree, dark; comparative degree, darker; superlative degree, darkest. Alright, so in this type we will discuss about these degrees one by one. Alright, now let's know about the uses of all these 3 degrees. First, positive degree. Positive degree is used where there is no comparison to made. Where there is no comparison to made. We talk like a simple sentence. Riya is an intelligent girl. Here we are talking about Riya only. Alright, another degree is comparative degree. Here where we compare, comparison is made between 2 nouns, like Sia is more intelligent than Riya. Here comparison is between Riya and Sia. Riya and Sia. So we are using comparative degree. And third one is superlative degree. This degree used where more than 2 nouns are compared. Where more than 2 nouns, like Nana is the most intelligent girl of the class. Here we are talking about from all the class, Nana is the most intelligent. So we have used the superlative degree. The same word, intelligent, here it's giving a simple word, a positive degree where there is no comparison, and another degree is more intelligent, that is comparison degree and superlative degree. Remember one thing, that the is always used with the superlative degree. The preceded superlative degree. Alright? Remember this step, that the accompanied the superlative degree. Wherever you feel a doubt that which degree should come here, you can see the. If there is the, and you can use superlative degree. And in comparison, mostly than is used there. Comparison between two. Alright? Now we will know that the formation of degree of comparison. That how we will form a degree of comparison. There are different ways from which we can form a degree of comparison, but we will discuss them one by one. The first formation of degree of comparison, that is by adding ER and EST to the positive degree. These are positive degrees, bold, bright, cold, and we will add ER to make it comparative, bolder, and EST to make it a superlative degree. Alright. Next, bright is a positive degree. Here is added ER, brighter, and EST for the superlative degree. The next, cold. Cold is a positive degree, and by adding ER it has become a comparative degree, and by adding EST it has become a superlative degree. So in this way we can make positive, comparative and superlative degree. It's the most basic way. Alright. Now let's move on to the next way from which we can form a comparison degree. By adding R and ST to the positive degree. For example, able, abler, ablest, pure, purer, purest, wise, wiser and wisest. Here we have added R and ST only. E is already present here. In the positive degree, E is already present. So we need to use R and ST. R in the comparative and ST in the superlative. Actually they are automatically becoming ER, ER, EST, EST. So it's very simple to learn. Alright? I hope that you have learned it. So let's move to the next method of formation of degrees. The next way is by doubling the last consonant and adding ER and EST to the positive degree. What it's saying that by doubling the last consonant, here you can see that it's the last consonant, D is the last consonant, and in comparative degree the last consonant is doubled here. And by adding ER, and ER is added here, and in superlative same the consonants are doubled here and EST is added here. Alright. Next thing, the consonant is N is doubled here and ER is added, and here also N is doubled and EST is added. In hot, double T, consonant is doubled and ER is added, consonant T is doubled and EST is added to make superlative degree. Just like this, fat, fatter, fattest, these kinds of words are the last consonant is doubled in this. Alright? Let's move to the next method of forming a degree. Next method is by changing the last Y into I and adding ER and EST with the positive degree. Some adjectives have Y at the end. So it's the rule that we should change Y into I and should add ER and EST to make comparative and superlative degree. Here busy, its last word is letter is Y, and it's removed, and instead of Y we have added I, and ER is also added with it. Here also Y is removed and I is added, and EST is also added. Alright, busy, busier, busiest. Suppose I say that it was a busy day. I am talking about myself. Alright, and if I say to another person like my friend Sheena, I say my day was busier than you. I am comparing his day and my day. And another person comes to the picture, like Ria comes and she say, oh, it was the busiest day of my life. So she is using the superlative degree by using busiest. Alright, just like that, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Y is removed and I is added. Easy, easier, easiest. Alright, I hope that you have understood. Now let's move to the another way to form a degree of comparison. We can't add ER and EST with all the adjectives. There are some other ways also, like by adding more and most before the positive degree. Like I can't say that my dress is beautifuler than yours. It's wrong. Actually, it should be like more beautiful. Okay, my dress is more beautiful than yours. Just like that, here are some words: active, more active, most active, careful, more careful, most careful, pleasant, more pleasant, most pleasant, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So in this way, by adding more and most, we can make comparative and superlative degrees. I hope that you have learned it. Let's move to the next method. The next method is irregular way of forming comparative and superlative degrees. Why is it called an irregular way? Because regularly or genuinely we use ER or EST to make comparative or superlative, or we use more and most to make comparative or superlative degree. But in this case, the comparative and superlative degrees are absolutely different. They have different spellings. They don't match the positive degree at all. Alright? Like bad, worse, worst, good, better, best, much, more, most. You can notice that they are completely different from the positive degree. Alright? One more example, that is up, upper, and the uppermost. All three are completely different from each other. Alright? So these were degrees of adjectives or comparison of adjectives. I hope that you have understood all and you enjoyed learning these. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.